Welcome to this explainer. Look, we literally all do it. You pack up last night's dinner, toss it in the fridge, and completely rely on it to save time, reduce waste, and, stretch that grocery budget. But what if your go-to leftover routine is secretly working against your health? It turns out how we manage those meals matters just as much as what we're actually eating.
Think about your daily kitchen routine for a second. Have you ever pulled a container out of the fridge, popped it straight into the microwave, and eaten it without a second thought? Probably, right? We kind of treat the microwave like this magic bacteria-killing safety box. But the reality, the way we handle certain foods before they ever even reach the microwave can actually turn them harmful.
And this is absolutely crucial as we get older. For those of us over 50, our digestive systems and immune responses naturally just become a bit more sensitive. Food safety isn't just about avoiding a temporary stomachache anymore. It's about protecting our long-term wellness. Reheating food isn't the enemy here, but improper storage? That allows bacteria to thrive in ways your microwave simply cannot fix. Section 1, 3 surprisingly risky foods. Let's dive right into this countdown, starting with something that is probably sitting in your refrigerator this very week. Food number 1 is rice. It's a massive global staple, and the common assumption is that tossing yesterday's rice in the microwave is completely harmless. But what really surprised me in the research is that the actual concern isn't the reheating itself. It's the time that rice spends sitting out on the counter before it ever sees the inside of your refrigerator. The invisible threat here is a bacteria called Bacillus cereus. If you leave cooked rice sitting out all afternoon, these microscopic villains multiply incredibly fast at room temperature. And worse, they produce toxic spores. Here's the real kicker. The heat from your microwave, it won't destroy those heat-resistant toxins once they've already formed. No way. Research actually shows that a ton of food poisoning cases linked to rice happen right in ordinary homes, not at restaurants. So to avoid this super common mistake, your golden rule is to refrigerate your cooked rice within 2 hours of making it. And make sure you only ever reheat it once, just once. Moving on to food number 2. Processed meats. We're talking sausages, hot dogs, bacon, deli meats. We love them for an easy meal, but they often contain preservatives, specifically nitrates and nitrites. The trouble really starts when these exact preservatives react to repeated intense heat. Gentle, initial heating, usually just fine. But when you subject these meats to secondary high heat, charring, or overcooking, those preservatives literally break down into new compounds that researchers have actually associated with an increased cancer risk. It completely changes the chemical makeup of the meat itself. Basically, the darker and more burned the meat becomes, the more potentially harmful compounds can form. Now, you definitely don't have to give up your occasional hot dog at a summer barbecue. Just avoid making a daily habit of reheating these meats to blistering, charred temperatures. Food number 3, potatoes. Mashed, baked, roasted, they are one of the most popular leftovers on the planet. But if you leave them cooling in foil on the stove for hours while you're distracted binge-watching your favorite show, they turn into an absolute breeding ground for bacteria that thrive and produce nasty toxins. Food safety experts constantly stress this pivotal point. People completely obsess over the microwave timer, but the real focus should be on how the food was stored in the first place. Prompt refrigeration is absolutely everything. Because, like we said, heat simply cannot reverse the clock and eliminate toxins once they've already multiplied in your food. Section 2. Oils and the chicken surprise. Let's look at how this science applies as we transition from solid foods to liquids, and then we'll reveal a highly anticipated 5th food that catches almost everyone completely off guard. Food number 4 is cooking oils. Have you ever fried a batch of food, saved the leftover oil in a jar, and used it again to save a few bucks? It's a classic kitchen trick. However, repeatedly blasting the exact same oil with high heat physically fractures its structure. It's almost like a frayed rope, causing it to completely degrade over time. And the risks of that degraded oil are significant. It produces compounds directly linked to cellular damage and inflammation, which is particularly dangerous for older adults who are actively monitoring their heart health. Listen, if your reused oil has become dark, thick, or has a strange smell, it belongs in the trash, not the frying pan. And here we are at food number 5, chicken. This is the one that surprises almost everyone. Chicken is a fantastic source of lean protein, sure, but repeatedly reheating it actually alters the protein structures. It essentially tangles them up like a tight knot, which makes it so much harder for our stomachs to digest comfortably.
Plus, just like our other foods, harmful bacteria multiply incredibly fast on chicken if it isn't cooled quickly. Honestly, so many illnesses stem simply from leftovers sitting out too long on the dinner table. The absolute rule of thumb here: heat it thoroughly and only reheat the exact portion you plan to eat right then and there. Put the rest back.
Section 3. How to stay safe. Now that we know about these invisible threats hiding right in plain sight, let's look at some rapid-fire, actionable steps you can take to protect yourself and your families starting today. The crucial takeaway is adopting a rock-solid storage routine. Get your leftovers into the fridge within 2 hours of cooking. Period. To help them cool down fast, spread them out in shallow containers. Make it a habit to label those containers with the date so nothing gets forgotten in the back of the fridge. And remember, only reheat the specific portion you're actually hungry for.
Section 4. Your daily health choices. Let's wrap up by stepping back and seeing how these small, daily kitchen habits actually compound to protect your longevity as you age.
To quickly review your checklist, you've got to be extra cautious with these 5: rice, processed meats, potatoes, cooking oils, and chicken. The real enemies to your health here are improper cooling and repeated, intense reheating. Your microwave is honestly just an innocent bystander in all of this. Safe food handling is genuinely one of the most empowering, easiest ways to protect your health as you age. Those small daily choices really do add up. Just keep in mind, of course, that this explainer is for educational purposes, so always consult your healthcare provider before making major changes to your diet or wellness routines. So, I want to turn it over to you. Which of these 5 foods do you reheat the most often? And did any of these hidden risks catch you completely off guard? We'd absolutely love to hear your stories and answer your questions in the comments below. Start putting these storage tips into practice, stay safe, and until next time, keep learning.